Fellas, it's very important that we take care of our skin. Especially after getting a good haircut. You want to make sure that you are looking presentable and on point. So, I enjoy giving myself spa services. This is an activated charcoal mask that's gonna pull out dirt, oil, from my skin. Especially after a good haircut. And the steam that's gonna open up my pores to allow all the dirt and toxins to come out. The steam feels amazing. It opens up my pores. It's going into my beard. It's straightening up my beard hairs for a good razor lining. It's very therapeutic after a long, hard day of work. Come to the barbershop, get your hair cut, get a spot facial with your service as an add-on for $50. Get your skin cleansed. Get any razor bumps removed, any ingrown hairs taken out, and leave feeling like a new man. I'm talking to doctors, I'm talking to lawyers, I'm talking to metro bus drivers, I'm talking to construction workers, I'm talking about all the labor-intensive trades where we go out and we work to make our income and take care of our families. You come to the barbershop, you gotta get taken care of. Luxury barbering services. Come get a haircut, come get a beard trim and mustache trim. You can get an add-on of a $50 facial, a spa facial with the mud mask and the steam to pull out all the dirt and toxins on top of getting your enhancements to enhance your haircut. Elite Barbers membership and the VIP service. The MVP service is the shampoo, the haircut, and the enhancements, and the hot towel service. The Elite Barbers, the Elite service is the shampoo, the haircut, the hot towel service, the steam service, and a 3 to 5 minute massage on the shoulders and the neck to make sure you leave rejuvenated from the shop. The MVP service and the Elite service. Book now, www.stylistjohn.com, 314-359-5499. I can get you fly.
That makes him the highest annual paid player in NBA history. He got every penny of that Supermax contract, and this is the second long-term contract. He signed in Oklahoma City. Remember back in